Hello and welcome to Classic American Sailing Craft. My name is Jonathan King and I'll be your narrator and guide as we discover the classic American sailing vessel. Right now I'm here in Camden, Maine. Behind me you'll see the Mary Day, the Louis R. French, and the Angelique, part of the Windjammer fleet. We'll be featuring such boats as that and other sailing vessels up here in Maine and further across the United States. I hope that you'll tune in and check out our videos. We'll be doing interviews with captains as well and celebrating the American sailing vessel. Thanks, and hope you enjoy.